If Steam is showing the game already running error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when Steam thinks the game is still open in the background, even when no window is visible on your screen. That means the game may be stuck in memory, or Steam may have lost track of whether it fully closed. The good news is you can usually fix this in just a minute or two. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Let's jump right in. First, the most common fix is to force close the game using Task Manager. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager instantly. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and background processes. Now look through the list for the game that is causing the problem. In many cases, the process name will match the game name, or it may be something similar to the game's launcher or executable. Once you find it, right-click the process and choose End Task. This tells Windows to fully close the stuck process instead of leaving it running in the background. If you want to be extra careful, check for any related processes as well, especially if the game has a launcher, anti-cheat tool, or secondary helper app. End those too if they are still active. After that, wait about 5 seconds before trying again. This short pause gives Windows a moment to fully clear the process from memory. Then go back to Steam and launch the game again. In many cases, that alone solves the problem immediately. If you still see the same error, the next step is to restart the Steam client itself. Sometimes Steam's bootstrapper or internal process tracking gets out of sync and thinks a game is still open even after it has been closed. To restart Steam properly, click Steam in the top left corner of the Steam window, then select Exit. Don't just close the window, make sure Steam fully shuts down. After that, open Task Manager again and check that all Steam-related processes are gone. Look for anything labeled Steam, Steam Client Bootstrapper, Steam Web Helper, or anything similar. If any of those are still running, right-click each one and select End Task. Once every Steam process is fully closed, relaunch Steam from your desktop, Start menu, or taskbar. Sign back in if needed, then try launching the game again. This step often fixes the issue because it resets Steam's session and clears any stale launch status. If the game still refuses to start, repeat the Task Manager check one more time and make sure there are no hidden game or Steam processes left behind. A stuck background process is one of the most common reasons this error appears, so being thorough here really matters. Another helpful habit is to wait a few seconds after closing a game before relaunching it, especially if it was just updated, crashed, or force closed. Steam sometimes needs a moment to fully register that the game is no longer running. If you launch too quickly, it may still think the previous session is active and throw the same error again. So the simple formula is end the stuck game process, fully close Steam, make sure no Steam tasks are still running, wait a few seconds, and then launch again. That usually clears the Steam game already running error without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Steam fixes, PC troubleshooting tips, and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.